Can we do this in one take, please? Okay. Here we observe the rare €950 AM5 creature in its natural habitat. No, stop. That's not my real voice, just kidding. Before getting into the benchmarks, let me first share some details about the PC. In my previous video, I have built a gaming PC for my wife with the specs that I have listed here on this very small paper that you cannot read. I'll try to zoom in. For those who want to see the video, my previous video, there's a link in the description and also somewhere within this frame. I'm still learning, so no idea where or if it will show in the frame, but it will for sure be showing in the description. In the 2 weeks that have passed, I did make some small changes to the PC. So for those who saw my previous video and saw how the PC looked, you will for sure see the differences. So I had to replace the originally installed Empire Gaming all-in-one water cooler. It was a black one, but it had some issues with the ARGB from the pump, so it kept on flickering. I troubleshooted it, I disconnected, connected, tried to couple it to a motherboard to see if I could control the ARGB, and some other things that I tried, but it was for sure an hardware issue, so I had to send it back to Amazon. No issue, of course, and that was an opportunity to this time do it right and to choose a white AIO. So this one is from Thermalright. It's an Aqua Elite AIO. It looks a lot better, and it's also very good, quiet water cooling, and does the job. Then after some discussion with my wife, we also decided to go for a vertically mounted GPU because it is an ATX case. The motherboard is a micro-ATX case, so there used to be a big gap there in the bottom. You saw the wires, it didn't look very clean, so just for aesthetics we decided to go for this vertically mounted GPU. I did a test for the temperatures and there was no impact at all, which I was a bit afraid of. So it was the good decision, I think. Let's go into the benchmarks. Good to know is that I used the standard Xbox Game Bar recording tool, which might have impact on the FPS, I'm not sure. And my wife's monitor is an MSI 27-inch, 180 Hz, slightly curved gaming monitor, just so you know. Aha. And you'll see in the benchmarks, I tried to do a lot of benchmarks, but I didn't really pay attention to would I do 1080p for that game, low, high settings, 1440p in that game, low, high. For some reason I decided to only do 1440p, ultra high settings for Apex Legends, for Fortnite. I did all of the settings. For Cyberpunk I made some changes, but also probably it doesn't make sense. So I hope it's kind of going to be useful for someone at least.
Daar is iemand achter jou, papa. Ik pak ook dus snel dit huis door. Want hier zijn geen mensen. En ik ben niet nog van weg. Ja, ik heb niet meer. Tenminste één keer.
Recharging shields.
Throwing jump drive.
Round 2, beginning.
Shattered an enemy shield.
The ring's close. 45 seconds.
Recharging my shields. Tossing an arc star.
Delivering frag.
I won't give in.
We demarked TimeSpy at 1440p. The system scores a bit more than 14,500, so that is right in line with what you would expect from this GPU and CPU combination. Our next PC BuildVenture expedition is hopefully coming soon. My expectations are somewhere between now and who knows, I have no idea. Thanks for watching.